about Java's Byte stream class. So what is Java Byte stream? Byte stream classes are used to read bytes from the input stream and write bytes to the output stream. In other words, we can say that byte stream class reads and writes the data of 8 bits. We can store video, audio, character, etc. by using the byte stream classes. These classes are part of the java.io package. The byte stream classes are divided into two types of classes. First one is input stream and the second one is output stream. These classes are abstract and the super classes of all the input-output stream classes. Byte stream classes. Byte stream classes are divided into two groups. Input stream class. These classes are subclass of an abstract class, an input stream, and they are used to read bytes from a source, that is file, memory or console. Output stream classes. These classes are subclasses of an abstract class, output stream, and they are used to write bytes to a destination, that is file, memory or console. Input stream class. Input stream class is a base class of all the classes that are used to read bytes from a file, memory or console. Input stream is an abstract class and hence we can't create its object, but we can use its subclasses for reading bytes from the input stream. And methods of input stream classes are int available. This method returns the number of bytes that can be read from the input stream. Abstract int read. This method reads the next byte out of the input stream. Int read byte b. This method reads a chunk of bytes from the input stream and stores them in its byte array b. Close. This method closes this output stream and also frees any resources connected with the output stream. Here is a hierarchy of input stream. The input stream is the parent or the superclass of all the stream, and the subclasses of input stream are piped input stream, object input stream, filter input stream, file input stream, and byte array input stream. Then filter input stream is divided into two classes, that is data input stream and buffered input stream. So this is the hierarchy of input stream classes. Let's discuss about the output stream classes. Output stream class is a base class of all the classes that are used to write bytes to a file, memory or console. Output stream is an abstract class and hence we can't create its object, but we can use its subclasses for writing bytes to the output stream. And the methods of output stream classes are flush. This method flushes the output stream by forcing out buffer bytes to be written out. Abstract write. This method writes the byte to the output stream. Write byte b. This method writes a whole byte array to the output. Close. This method closes this output stream and also frees any resources connected with this output stream. This is the hierarchy of output stream. As we know that the output stream is the superclass of all the streams, and it has some subclasses, that is piped input stream, object output stream, filter output stream, file output stream, and byte array output stream. And the filter output stream is divided into two categories, that is data output stream and buffered output stream. So this is the hierarchy of output stream classes. Let's see the code, how we can implement this. Let's see the code of byte stream example. First of all, we create a class, public class byte stream example, and for using the byte stream example, we have to import these classes, that is packages, that is java.io byte array input stream, java.io file, java.io file input stream, java.io.file not found exception, and java.io.file output stream, and java.io.io exception. After that, we create a class, public class byte stream example, and then inside the main method, first of all we throw the IO exception, because we know that by for using the byte array input stream we have to mention the exception first, and here I use the IO exception. So first of all I write a string array in a byte, that is byte content is equals to, this is the Java tutorial of byte stream dot get bytes. With the help of get bytes we can transfer this thing into a byte form, and then we use a byte array input stream class and make the object as an input stream is equals to new byte array input stream, and pass this content in this input stream, and then input stream dot read content, this is used to read the content, and then we need a file, that is file is new file is equals to new file. In the D drive here we create a file, that is my new file dot doc. By using the dot doc we can create the document file. If I write here the text, we can create the text file here, and then with the help of file output stream we can write that thing in our file. So we write the new file and then write the content, this content in that file, and hence after that we just print the thing, that is file created successfully in our console. So we all know that this file is created in D drive. First of all check it, here the D drive is completely empty. So when this file is compiled after execution, here the new file, that is my file, is created inside the D drive. So just save it and let's execute it. We are already in our path location, that is program assignment Java tutorial, and then we just write the byte stream example dot java, and hence it compiles successfully. Let's execute it. Java byte stream example. See, here it is written that file created successfully. It means that file will be generated there. Let's check it. See, here the file is generated. First of all there is no file, but here a new file, my new file name, which I already mentioned here, that is my new file name. In with that name a file is created. Let's check it. Hence the output of the file is, this is Java tutorial of byte stream. Hence we will provide this thing, that is this is Java tutorial of byte stream, and it is already printed here. So in this way we are using the byte stream for reading and writing the file. Thank you.